Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best marble repair kit is probably one of the most essential tools for any homeowner with marble surfaces. Whether it's a small chip in your kitchen countertop or a crack in your bathroom vanity, these kits offer a convenient and cost-effective solution to restore your marble to its original glory. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of marble repair kits, exploring their features, ease of use, and overall value. Number 5. Giani White Diamond Granite Countertop Paint Kit 2.0. Tired of your old countertops? This kit offers a simple solution. In just one weekend, you can give them a stunning, granite-like makeover. This product works on formica, laminate, Korean, and more. It's designed to cover up to 35 square feet of surface area. It's a versatile choice for many different kitchen styles. Choose from 5 contemporary colors to match your decor. The finish is designed to look and feel like real granite. It's a great way to upgrade your kitchen without a full remodel. The 100% acrylic formula is low odor, low VOC, and water-based. It's also durable, high gloss, and food safe. This ensures that it will last for years to come. The sponge-on and roll-on application is simple and customizable. Detailed instructions are included to guide you through the process. You can easily achieve a professional look. This kit features a cool toned color with subtle blue undertones. The appearance may vary depending on your lighting. It's a beautiful choice for many spaces. All Giani paints and coatings are 100% manufactured and packaged in the USA. You can trust the quality and craftsmanship of this product. What we like. This kit offers a complete transformation in just a weekend, making it perfect for a quick kitchen upgrade. Its durable, high-gloss finish will give your countertops a fresh, new look. If you're looking for an affordable and easy way to revitalize your kitchen without a full remodel, this is the perfect solution. What people say. The product worked great. The color match was perfect. Easy to use. Number 4. Weiman Granite and Stone Cleaner and Sealer Kit. This cleaner kills 99.9% of germs and bacteria. It eliminates bacteria in just 10 minutes on hard, non-porous surfaces. This spray is specially formulated for granite and stone, leaving surfaces clean and shiny. This product is designed for various non-porous sealed surfaces. It works great on granite, quartz, quartzite, marble, slate, and glazed tile. You can use it in your kitchen and bathroom. Keep your stone surfaces looking new. This kit helps protect and seal your countertops and other natural stone surfaces. It creates a protective barrier to keep them in top condition. Unsealed stone can be vulnerable to water and soil, leading to stains. This sealer provides protection and repels water and soil. It helps to maintain the beauty of your stone surfaces. The kit includes 2 24-ounce sprays. One is for cleaning and shining, and the other is a sealer. This offer provides everything you need to care for your stone surfaces. What we like. This kit provides both a disinfecting cleaner and a sealer, ensuring your surfaces are clean and protected. It kills 99.9% of germs, keeping your kitchen hygienic. If you prioritize cleanliness and want to extend the life of your stone countertops, this kit is an excellent choice. What people say. The product worked exactly as described. The color match was perfect. The repair was virtually invisible. Number 3. Giani Carrara White Marble Epoxy Countertop Kit. This Giani kit offers a simple 3-step application. It can transform various surfaces like formica and ceramic tile in just one weekend. Each kit includes all the tools you need. It covers about 35 square feet, which is the average countertop area in a kitchen. The updated kit features a new, extra-durable, high-gloss epoxy resin topcoat. This protects the surface against everyday use. The paint is safe for interior use, with a very low odor and zero VOC. The primer hides imperfections. Giani Marble now includes a new epoxy resin topcoat for a more durable and glossy finish. It's stain and water resistant, making your kitchen look better than ever. What we like. This kit features an updated epoxy resin topcoat for a super durable and glossy finish. It is stain and water resistant, ensuring your countertops can withstand everyday use. If you like a long-lasting, beautiful finish that can handle the wear and tear of a busy kitchen, you should consider this. What people say. It was surprisingly easy to do thanks to the video, directions, and quick guide. The kit is perfect. The kit has everything you need except the frog tape, paper plates and paper bowls, which I used for the veining process and also for the highlighting at the end, which really made the whole counter pop. I highly recommend this as the lines came out beautifully and very natural. I dabbed the feather, then dabbed on a paper plate and dragged the feather up down back and forth to get some really nice lines. Number 2. Instant Install Epoxy Repair Kit. This kit is designed for repairing chips and cracks on multiple surfaces. It works on granite, marble, porcelain, quartz, and tile. It's a versatile solution for your repair needs. You can use this kit on various countertop materials. It's suitable for ceramic, Korean, formica, and many other stone types. It's a comprehensive repair solution. The kit is easily tintable with easy tint pigments. This allows you to seamlessly match the stone colors. Tinting is necessary if the epoxy is visible after drying. It dries in just 29 minutes, and there's no sanding needed. You don't need to tape off the area, and it won't stick to polished surfaces. It's a mess-free process. This kit provides a super strong bond for installing slabs or reattaching stones. You can sand or drill the surface after it dries. It ensures a durable and long-lasting repair. The tinted repairs will not change color over time. If you use white tint, you might need extra to preserve the color. This ensures the repair blends seamlessly. What we like. This repair kit offers a super fast drying time, allowing you to quickly fix chips and cracks. You can seamlessly match the color of your stone with easy tint pigments. If you need a quick, strong, and color-matched repair for your countertops, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The product worked great for repairing a chip in my marble countertop. The repair kit was easy to use and the instructions were clear. The color match was perfect and the repair is virtually invisible. Number 1. HIMG White Quartz Countertop Repair Kit. Is your countertop chipped or scratched? This repair kit is designed to fix those imperfections quickly and easily. It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. This kit is made for repairing quartz, granite, marble, and more. It works on various surfaces like cultured marble and porcelain. You can restore the look of your surfaces in minutes. The kit includes 3 different white tones. This allows you to mix and match to perfectly match your countertop's color. You can repair chips on sinks, bathtubs, and tiles. This kit is recommended for damages no larger than a penny. It's non-toxic and odorless, safe for use in food prep areas. It's a great solution for various types of damage. This repair kit is proudly made in the USA by HIMG Surface Repair. Get yours today and bring your surfaces back to life. It's a reliable solution for your home. What we like. This kit includes 3 white tones, making it easy to match the color of your countertop. It's non-toxic and odorless, making it safe for use in food prep areas. If you are looking for a simple and safe way to repair white quartz, marble, or granite, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. It worked great. It worked extremely well. Great product for white or off-white Korean repair. Color I had was linen, which was off-white with some light beige speckles in it. Deep gouge 2 inches long and filled it to an acceptable repair. It was easy, but take your time. Not a 1-minute fix but easily done over an hour. You can mix the colors to get the shade you want. I used the EV light in 10-minute sets on an area about a 1/4 inch in width. Fill in layers before the final color match on the surface. Dries rock hard but can be sanded down. Vast improvement over the accident site. Better than replacing the 4K countertop. Use a magnifying glass when you get near the surface finish to minimize sanding and producing more scrapes. Perfect no but 90%. Take your time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.